Welcome to my video. I'm Ken. On Tuesdays, I like to make videos where I yap about things. A video before last, I showed you guys this, and there seemed to be some interest in that video. So I'm just gonna go more in depth on this, how I made this. This is a book that I made with my own two hands. And I'm just gonna, so first I'm gonna show you how I made it, or show you it, what it looks like. And then I'm gonna walk you through the process of how I made it. Okay, so this is the outside. It's fairly plain looking. Yeah, so I really liked this type of style. This style where there's this like really nice stuff. I don't know what to call this. I think I seen it in a book when like maybe a few years ago, and I really liked it. And I also put my own. You can see those are my initials. And that's my my profile picture, as you can see. And there's a special software if anyone wants the name of. It's free, and I can share it with you. But yeah, you can put like pictures, your own stuff, and this is a regular sheet of paper that I printed on, and I put like some quotes, a little, maybe it's a little dark. Oh, actually, this is in my channel, this bio, yeah. What you're not changing, you're choosing, which I really like. Someone said it online or some video, and I liked it, so okay. These are the thingies. This is another software yeah, it's the same software as this, but these lines I had to make with the same software as I did all the text and stuff. So yeah, these are all the pages, just plain. They go all the way, lines all the way, and then obviously the back, and prepare for the inevitable. So prepare for the end, because it's the end of the book, and nothing is forever, which I don't know why I put that there, but yeah, I thought it was interesting. Yeah, this is the back of it. So now I'm just gonna walk you through how I went about making it. So first, what you will need to make it, you will need backboards. So this is the hard cover inside of this, these things. So you will need at least 2 of them that will fit your size. About half, I think this is I don't know what size paper this is. This is A4 maybe, I don't know, but half an A4 paper, so you can fold it like this. So you will need that. Then you will need something to wrap around it. So the cover, which I chose like this cheap imitation kind of leather type thing. You can choose anything you want that would fit around the piece of paper or around this. Obviously you will need paper, so you need to get you can use any paper you want, but you can I recommend getting the higher GSM. So GSM is like something, I don't know, it's like the density of the paper, and so the higher GSM will allow you to write better. So get decent paper. This is like 90 GSM, and it's good paper. It doesn't pens don't really bleed on this as much as lower GSM paper, so you get the higher one. Then obviously you will need this. So these are these are the inside thingies, whatever. You can choose anything you want. Like, I recommend, yeah, so I chose these because I thought these are really nice. Oh my god. This video is not planned out, but yeah, look at these. These are quite beautiful looking, so I still have to use these. But you can use anything you want. Like, you can use textured paper, you can use anything. Okay. You will need 12. I think this is 12. 12. Yeah, 12. So this will bind the pages together. You will have to stitch it. You will need tools. These are like, okay, this is not part of the kit. The pincer or the tweezers are not part of the kit. But this kit you can buy for like, I don't know, like maybe 15 pounds, 10, $20, wherever you're from. And yeah, this is pretty much all the tools you need for it. Because actually, are the needles? No, the needles on the no, actually, okay, yeah, you will need, hold on. Ah, okay, so I'm missing a lot of stuff. This is, I should have organized this better. But yeah, you'll need this. I forgot what this is called, but it's for punching holes in your paper like this. So at one point, once you have all your pages, all your paper, you will fold it in half, and then, so these are like prototypes that I made. I tried to make a lot, but yeah, you will be punching through in like every inch, every like 10 centimeters maybe. I don't know, but yeah, so you will punch through the stacks of paper, and then you will use this stuff, and you will make, so, and you will make like a booklet like this. So this is two signatures stitched together. So signatures are like a grouping of paper. So you can have, so when you, how many signatures is this? This is, I think this is 2, 4, 5, 6. So I think this is 6 signatures, so 6 papers, or maybe it's 12 because 12, it makes 12. I don't know. I think it's 6 signatures. So 6-page signatures. So yeah, this is 2 of them stitched together after you. It's so chaotic, but it is what it is. So yeah, you do like, you can do signatures like 6 pages thick. You can do 8. You can do as many as, but I recommend like 6 to 7 to 5 because I don't know, it will look the best. And yeah, you basically sew them together with, where is it? Where? Oh yeah. So you will basically sew them together with needles like these. So you get this strong. This is like really strong, and you get, yeah, and you get this. You get one of these needles, and once you poke the holes through, this is like, come on. Okay. And basically you stitch the paper together. I recommend obviously looking up online how to do it. There are some good tutorials. Maybe if there's a little bit of interest in this video, I will do a better tutorial of this, better guide to doing this. But yeah, stitch it together. Once you have enough signatures, you make, okay, so you make a cover with this. It's like the most chaotic video in my life. Yeah, so you make a cover using, this is called the backboard or something. And you get two of these. You make a cover first. So you can do in 2 stages. You can do the cover first if you know how thick your thing is going to be. And you can do, yeah, and then you can do, and the pages themselves, that's a separate thing you can do. And then you combine them. At the end, you combine them and glue them together. Oh, you need glue as well. So you need, yeah. So you can just PVA glue, which is, that's the only glue you need. And I think all of this will be like around 50, I don't know, maybe £100, $100. Maybe you can do it for $50, £50. It shouldn't, I don't know, shouldn't be too much. But yeah, optionally, you can get this sort of stuff. So this would be the bookmark. So you can get this. So when you combine the books, you yeah, you can put this in as your bookmark, glue it inside. And at the end of that, all of that chaos, oh yeah, you will need this. Yeah, this is very important. This stuff, okay. This is what's gonna make your book. This is what you use to put the cover and the book together. Yeah, that makes it makes the end gluing process like really strong. So you need this for sure. I forgot what it's called. I think it's called like 12 mesh or book binding mesh, something like that. And in the end of all that chaos, you get this. So yeah, you've already seen this, and it's actually quite strong. Right. So this is the reason it's like this, fairly strong like this, is because of this stuff. Because otherwise it would just be paper holding it up, but it's not paper, it's that. So if you want a tutorial, I can make a full tutorial on how to make this. I'll make it from beginning to end. I'll make another one of these books, and I will price it. I'm not going to be selling anything, I'm just making a tutorial, but I will show the prices for you guys if yeah, provide links or whatever, and the tools you will need. Maybe you already have some of these, but yeah, so this is what I want to share. I think it was a really nice thing to do for me. I really like doing this because now I have a book, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. And it's yeah, just like a nice thing to have. Kind of afraid to write in it, but I love this thing, you know. Just this proves that I'm like I don't know that I'm hungry for some, no, that I'm competent, maybe, I don't know. It fills a hole in my heart. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. If you want the full tutorial, let me know and I will make one. But probably if at least 10 of you say that you want, if I get like 10 likes, get 10 likes, I will make a tutorial. Okay, goodbye.